Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take a photo of yourself standing in an elevator with AI for free. Okay, this is how the photo looks like, and I'm going to show you how we can create this photo. First of all guys, you can open up Google Gemini. We're going to use Nano Banana feature on Gemini. You can visit gemini.google.com, or you can open up the Gemini app. And then I'm going to show you the prompt to create this photo, guys. You can use this prompt. Okay, you can upload your photo to Gemini, and then you can add this prompt. Okay, you can copy this prompt, and I'll put the prompt on the description, okay? And here, make sure that you choose Nano Banana feature, that you can upload your photo. And I recommend you to upload the photo with the clear background so it won't be distracted. Okay, and then you're going to paste the prompt here, and then you just need to submit it to Gemini. And you can modify the prompt. I made this prompt for women photo, but you can modify it if you want to make it for men. And okay guys, that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!